everyone. Today is June 24th. It is now 8:25 a.m. Temperature outside is 64 degrees and we're off to Bryce Canyon. Nancy, you want to say good morning?
Yes.
Say good morning? Okay. It's supposed to be an absolutely gorgeous place. We will not bore you with details. We will show you. Till then, sto bene din. So we'll take everybody on a hike with us. We're hiking along the rim of Bryce Canyon. And it's kind of, I don't know, you have to imagine it yourself, but looks like there's many ways to walk in. This is the second one we've come across. We kind of had a hard time finding it because it's so overcrowded. Apparently this year there's just so much traffic. There's just so many people here. They recommended that we park immediately at the first spot we found, and it's relatively early in the morning. So we decided to park right beyond the visitor center at the beginning, and we figured we would hike toward the main area of where all the stores and gatherings are. But we would do it along the rim. We would not do it along the road. So right now it looks a lot like Carpathos, actually. A lot like Carpathos. It's just a lot cooler. This time of year in Carpathos, we'll be roasting 9 o'clock in the morning. Well, 9 o'clock in the morning in Carpathos wouldn't be too bad, but it would be a lot hotter than it is here because right now it's 57 degrees, which is very comfortable. So we'll chime in again. Sto bene din. Well, I think we're on the verge of something spectacular here. So again, we're taking you along with us on our walk, and they call this Inspiration Point. Now I see why. Bring me here and park me here and forget me here, and I can stare at this thing until the day I close my eyes forever. This is unbelievable, and I hope and pray that the camera does it justice, because this is just breathtaking. Wow, wow, wow. That's all I can say is wow. Let's walk over here, and it gets better. So we were going to walk over to this point before we climbed up along that knoll and saw this. Now, of course, this time of day the light isn't helping, which is why this part of the canyon looks better, because the light hits it from the east, whereas the other part, the western part of the canyon, is not. I think actually that's the east part of the canyon. This is the western part of the canyon. Doesn't matter. It's beautiful. So we'll take you for a short walk along with us. This is absolutely magnificent. So this is our path. It's a goat path, but it's a beaten path. A lot of people come up here for this reason, because the views from here are just, well, as you can see, I don't have to describe them to you. You can see for yourselves. I think it's just ridiculously underrated in the pictures that we've seen. Absolutely gorgeous. So we are about 7,000 feet above sea level. No, actually, I think it's more. I think it's 7,700 feet above sea level. So here we go. So here, this is the point we're going to walk to before we came over that knoll, because you can see this entire area. Now, we first came onto the rim right, well, as this little tree in front of me, directly behind it, over there, way over there is where we came onto the canyon for the first time. So now this is the vantage point from this area, and I got to be careful not to fall. Beautiful, beautiful. Nancy?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You think it's beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're at the sunrise point, so let's venture up there together. It's even better. Wow. Wow. What God has created. Wow. Well, 10 wows. I'm going to record this not only with the GoPro, but also with my camera. We are at Sunrise Point at Bryce Canyon, and this is just absolutely an incredible sight. An incredible sight. There's just no other way to put it. It's Absolutely gorgeous. We would walk down that trail. It's very slippery and we don't have the appropriate kind of shoes on. So we're going to avoid that. This is fine. For us, this is good enough. This is absolutely beautiful. This is Chrysos?
Yes.
You still thirsty?
Yes.
We'll get some water for you. We are now at Bryce Point. See the elevation, 8,300 feet. And this is off to the right. We're going to walk off this way. So there's Nancy. And we are out here at the Lookout Point. Hold on. And this is what you see. This is probably the most spectacular view that we've had this morning. We are at Bryce Point. And it's beyond words. Beyond words. It's absolutely beyond words. So just give me a panoramic view. Going all the way around. This is looking to the west, as far as the eye can see. Inspiration Point, elevation 8,100 feet. We'll go for a walk. Hello, Inspiration Point, and see if we can be inspired. Well, we've already been to Bryce Point, so let's see Inspiration Point. We'll be inspired. We thought we were at Inspiration Point earlier today. Not. Come on, Nancy. It's quite the hike at 8,100 feet. We're feeling it, but it was pretty steep. So we'll take you with us, and let's be inspired together. I'm sure the grandeur of this view will be one that we will never forget. So we'll take you with us. We'll just look to the right. And then come back to the left. Here we go. Be inspired. Wow. Wow, 1,000 times wow. Gonna rest here for a second and take a look. Absolutely. And then pan to the left. Keep on walking. Let's walk over. Take a GoPro with us. I think everyone on our journey. I think this has to be my favorite stop so far. I think this trumps Glacier. I think this trumps the Grand Canyon, only because it's just so tangible. You can almost reach out and grab it. That's how it feels. It feels like you just reach out and touch every one of those little protrusions down there. They're absolutely magnificent. So, and then we go to the left. We go to the left. We'll pan to the left. We'll go over here. This is the left. And this is absolutely crazy beautiful. Yeah, I'd be inspired here. I'd be inspired up here. I'd be inspired to stay up here forever. Absolutely gorgeous. Come on, Nancy. Nancy, come here.
Maybe I feel like we're in the worst possible place.
Yeah.
What do you think? Like it?
Like it. I like it.
Okay, so we basically drove in. There's Nancy Joe, the RV. And this area is called Fairview Point. This is the furthest point along the road, although I think we can go further over to that rim. But this is what you see here. Another absolutely magnificent view of the canyon as far as the eye can see. It's beautiful. Beautiful. What do you think, Nancy? You like it?
Yes.
You like it?
I like it.
Yes. Okay. Well, I like it too. So, another view Another part of a spectacular creation of nature. Estoy banidin. Here we are. Yours truly and you.
Yes.
Well, you having a good time?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I think we're about done. I think we've seen all the highlights. So this is the trail down to the RV. And this will probably be the last video of the afternoon. So for now, estoy banidin.